Understanding and managing vulnerabilities is crucial in today's interconnected digital environment. In this section, you will learn the foundational concepts of vulnerability management, including how to identify, assess, and prioritize vulnerabilities across various systems. This foundation will enable you to grasp the importance of a systematic approach to securing digital assets. Building on these basics, we will explore advanced AI techniques for vulnerability identification. You will learn how machine learning algorithms and other AI methods can enhance the detection of security weaknesses, making the process more efficient and effective. This knowledge will prepare you to leverage modern technological advancements in your cybersecurity practices. Next, we will delve into theoretical models for AI-driven vulnerability management. Here, you will explore how theoretical frameworks inform the development and application of AI tools in vulnerability management. Understanding these models will give you insights into the underlying principles that drive AI's role in cybersecurity, enabling you to critically evaluate and innovate within this space. To solidify your understanding, we will examine real-world case studies and applications. You will learn from practical examples of AI-driven vulnerability management in action, analyzing successes and challenges faced by organizations. These case studies will provide you with a concrete understanding of how theory translates into practice. Finally, we will address the challenges and future directions of AI in vulnerability management. You will explore the limitations and potential risks associated with current methodologies and discuss emerging trends and innovations that promise to shape the future of this field. This forward-looking perspective will equip you to anticipate and adapt to the evolving landscape of cybersecurity. As you progress through these lessons, you will develop a comprehensive understanding of how to effectively manage vulnerabilities using both traditional and cutting-edge AI techniques, preparing you to tackle complex security challenges in your professional career.